Okay, tu kan sonding mitsu division tisi kon hol intun asa ti misimu. Division ahin hikalai jangan sonding asun division kan sonding ahin hiban tukti hin kani matha to ni kani matha dan tika kaban inching halai division ka kan to tika kan ma hi kan to ton dead monkeys smell bad. So the dead D is stand for divide. That means you have to divide. M is stand for multiply. That means you need to multiply. Smell. S stand for subtract. B stand for bring down. So there's 4 steps when we do division. Division timi asakan to tika kan step pelin to ading pakat nabikan to ading mizu divide. D is stand for divide. M is stand for multiply. That means you have to time. S stand for subtract. B stand for bring down. Okay, and then menentukan altan dong kan umri 2 ka divisor si ama ka boss isimu like divisor supervisor. They are kind of the sound the same, right? So he is the boss. Number 2 is the boss because he is a divisor supervisor. Okay, 12 is the answer that we call quotient, and this number, the 24, is dividend. Okay, so this is the boss, that is divisor supervisor. 12 is the quotient, and 24 is the dividend. So we need to follow this step when we do division. Okay, so this is 2. So the first we need to divide. Okay. How many 2 will go into the number 2? So I think it will go into the 1. So we put 2 over here. 1 of 2 go into the 2. So we put 2. Now number step 2 we need to multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. We are done with number step 2. Step 3, we need to subtract. Okay, we need to minus. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 0, nothing, is 4. Sorry, I have to start over again. Okay, when we learn about division, there is the easy way to remember the step. So that's we call dead monkeys smell bad. Okay, so D stands for divide. So the first step is divide. M stands for multiply. That is step 2. S stands for subtract. That is step 3. B stands for bring down. Okay, that is step number 4. And there's 3 names. This the 2 is the boss. Divisor, we call divisor. Divisor, supervisor. It's kind of sound the same. And then the answer, 12 is a quotient. The 24 is the dividend. Okay, let's do this one. This is the example. So first, we need to divide. So how many 2 will go into the 2? I can't do it, 24 is too big. So I will just start with the first number, okay? How many 2 will go into the 2? So I think 1 time it will go 1, okay? So I put 2 here. Now we need to multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. That's why I wrote 2, okay? Next, we need to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Number 4, step 4, we need to bring down, which is 4. We bring down to here. Okay, now I have to think how many 2 will go into 4. So I think 2 group of 2 will go into the 4. So I put 2 times 2 is 4. So I multiply 2 times 2 is 4. And then next I have to minus, which is 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, in this case we don't have a remainder. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one is set 2 Division 84. So, okay. First, I have to look at the first number, okay? Because it's too big, I can't do it. So I look at the first number, it's just 8. How many 2 will go into the 8? So let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 group. Okay, so I think 2, the 4 will go 8. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. Now the next step, I need to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. I don't need to write 0. The next step is bring down. So I have to bring down the back number 4. Okay, Zhong, how many 2 will go into the 4? How many 2 times will go into the 4? 2, okay, so 2, we thought it's 2 group of 2 will go into the 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now what do I need to do? Subtract, which is minus, okay? Which is minus. Okay? So I need to minus. 4 minus 4 is 4. Take away 4 is 0. So we don't have a remainder here. Okay. Okay, let's look at this one. This one will have the remainder, okay? First, I have to look at the first number. It's too big, I can't do it 2 digit. So, how many 6 will go into the 9? So, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if I add one more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's already 12, so I can't do it with 2, okay, 2 group. So I will say 1 group. 1 of 6 will go into the 9. So next I need to multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, now I need to do subtract, that is minus. 9 minus 6, okay. I have 9, I have to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left? How many left? 3. Okay. So 3. Oh, what do I need to do the next step, Jung?
Bring down.
Bring down. Okay, I need to bring down. Which is I bring down 4. Okay, now I have to think how many pieces of 6 will go into 30. So let's say, let's say 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times... Let's try 6 times 5, okay? 6 times 5 is 30. So I believe it will go 5 group of 6. Okay, so now I need to multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, now what do I need to do? I need to minus, subtract. Okay. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we don't need to put 0. Do we need to bring down anything else? Do we have any number to bring down here? No, we don't have any number, so we don't need to bring down. Let's see. Okay, I want to tell you this one. Every time, the boss have to be the biggest number in this case. The remainder cannot be bigger. So, is 6 is bigger or 4 is bigger? 6. So, the boss, always the divisor, the boss have to be bigger number, okay? So, this is 4, so we can leave like that because the 6 is bigger number. Okay.